The Three Stars Poll is brought to you by Owens Community College. Apply online at owens.edu.
My star for this week, I'm going out to Perrysburg. Cody Schneider is a monster. Had another hat trick back-to-back weeks. A goal and 2 assists against St. John's. His stat line for this year, incredible. 47 goals, 19 assists, 66 points, and a plus 27. Cody Schneider, my star for this week.
That's a good pick, and I think if they get some wins, it'll be a lot because of him. I'm going to go with the guy because we're getting a playoff time, and all he does is just wait till OTs. Luke Johnson, Bowling Green. Give me the senior forward. It's OT, it's playoff time. He's ready.
I'm a big fan of both guys, and I've been a big fan of both guys. Well, I'm newly on board with this guy, Virgil Huffman, for St. Francis. He's one of the guys that doesn't have a state title over there. He didn't play last year for the Knights. He's there this year. He's playing big time. He is a big-time player. 2 goals in this one against BG. And if you're wondering, my guy did beat Melzak's guy. Head-to-head this week.
We need you guys to show up when it matters.
Double
At
the
BCSN
scoring.
Sports on Twitter. Get us to 2,000. Quote, tweet it, retweet it. Tag the guys you have until noon on Friday.